4月份，我带着老公和孩子们回到中国娘家，和家人们一起坐了邮轮，我们还去北京爬了长城，看了故宫。今天我们就要回英国了。我们是下午的飞机，威廉上飞机后就睡了2个小时。长途飞机坐久了，我和孩子们一起站起来活动活动。全程差不多11个小时飞行，威廉是拒绝吃任何飞机餐的，还好我包里有个大苹果。降落前孩子们又睡着了，很不情愿地醒过来。
Back to England.
耶、累了。威廉4点钟就醒了，是被饿醒的，是不是啊？冰箱什么都没有，先给他泡杯牛奶顶一下。好棒哦！ Jessica 从4点钟醒来就一直在床上看书，我现在给孩子们煮一点意大利面。家里面真的什么吃的都没有，还好家里有金枪鱼，因为它是那种咸香的，我就不加盐了。能再来点蔬菜就完美了，因为今天订的超市要下午2点钟才能送菜。好了，简单营养快捷的到时茶饭做好了。
And we also do my presents.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay, we finally have food again. But we also need to keep it nice and clean.
德国的冰箱除味棒轻轻一折就可以了，它这也太大力了。摇晃一下变成黄色就开始工作了，缓慢释放出的二氧化氯来保持冰箱内没有异味。Jessica 的生日在中国度过，我们都还没来得及包礼物，今天干脆把威廉的生日礼物也一起提前给了。Jessica 好咯，可以来咯。你没关系，你可以走下来，眼睛打开，眼睛打开走。
It's covered. You don't need to cover your eyes.
What's this? Drumstick.
Yay!
William. Okay, here you go, Jessica.
What's this?
This is a drumming practice pad.
Oh.
I also got a pair of drumsticks so I can demonstrate for you, okay?
Electric pencil sharpener.
You wanted one, right?
不要把这个也全部拆开啊。
Okay.
Okay, how about this one then?
That's a noise.
It's a metronome. Should keep you.
Whoa!
It's heavy, it's heavy.
I've got it.
All the Mr. Men books. Every single one.
I love Mr. Men.
You can read it too. Science fiction as well. It's very well regarded for kids. Here you go.
Basket.
What is it?
是什么？
It's a basketball hoop for you to play basketball in our garden.
威廉喜欢吗？
喜欢。
Jessica 把威廉的书全部都读完了。今天由我老公来做晚饭，做他最拿手的英国传统料理 cottage pie 农舍派，牛肉末混合蔬菜和番茄，盖上土豆泥。
Want to try some potato?
OK， 烤箱烤一下就好了。
All right, let's eat.
谢谢。
不客气。
谢谢爸爸。
不客气。
谢谢爸爸。
不客气。
终于可以吃到呆呆做的饭了。
I love this man.
Good. Look, you just sprayed everywhere. That's not how you blow.
How?
Not. Watch me. Watch me.
No, watch me.
Yes.
轻轻的吹。很好吃。
Well, it's quite easy to make. I can teach you when you're a little bit older if you like this. The only annoying bit is peeling potatoes. It takes quite a while and it's not very exciting.
sweet.